Common Core is like using your brain to explain how you answer the question. Like, they don't want you to just answer the question, they want you to show them how to answer the question.
It's not just reading out of the math textbook, it's kind of like going more into everything. It's like you may have like or you might have like a word problem and you might have to go even deeper to get the answer and explain it.
Common Core is like language arts and math combined, because you get a math question, but later you have to explain with your own thought.
Not just using numbers to solve questions, using more of words to solve it, being more verbal, not just a straight out equation.
Well, we've done Foursquare, we've done the city challenge, the scale model, and we all kind of work together in our math and like breaking down the problem into smaller, easier portions, I guess.
Working with classmates has really helped me because you might not know a certain answer to a problem or like a hint or strategy, but then your friends can remind you, and working in groups can also really help you like with socializing with other people and making new friends.
The city challenge project, I couldn't find out the scale for my city, and it was really confusing, so I had to redo it a couple of times. So then one of my friends, she just got like annoyed of me like being really confused, so she started helping me and she taught me how to do it.
Okay, so we were working on this project called the City Challenge Project. We had to find the square area of our buildings, and we had to find it in miles, and I didn't like really understand how to do that. And one of my friends taught me how to do it, and I understood a lot more.
It has changed math class, because before we didn't really have to explain anything. We could just put down an answer and then that would be completely fine. But by explaining it, you can't just, like say if you had a calculator, if you just did the problem, then okay, you would write down the answer. But if you didn't know how to do that problem, which Common Core helps with, then you're helpless to solve it.
They've changed math class, because before it would just be what's this times this, but now we have to explain how we do it, and it kind of like improves our brain power, I guess.
In real life, you wouldn't go to work and find an equation on your desk. You would go to work and you'd find a real life problem on your desk, not just a straight out equation. So it helps you. It'll help more in the future.